Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to Receipe Vlogs. Now, as you can tell by the title and as you can tell by the minutes that you see on this video, this is a very quick stew beef with broad bean meal. So let's get into it. So now at this point I'm seasoning up the beef. I put some all-purpose retail seasoning on it, then I put some pimento, fresh pimento, and some herbs. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, so just look on the packet and find it in your supermarket, but it's really good. And now I'm adding some more all-purpose. This is the Maggi all-purpose, and you can find it in your supermarket as well. So now I'm just adding my seasonings that I've already cut up, some onions, tomatoes, pepper, of course, you know me, scallion, all of that. And then some browning. After I add the browning, I'm just going to mix everything together, ensure that the beef is properly seasoned and everything is incorporated well. The beef that I'm using is the steak beef, the steak cut type of beef, the pepper steak beef that come in the little packet. Yeah, you can also find that in your supermarket. I hope I found it in my local supermarket. So now I'm just seasoning up the beef, ensuring that all the seasonings are incorporated and the beef is properly seasoned. And look at that beauty. I don't know, but I just love when meat season up with the seasoning and the browning, and so look good. Love it. Alright, so we're going to put the beef in the pot now. You see the oil in there, the oil is heated. Now we're just going to place the beef right in the pot. It's just like so. One more batch. Yeah, so you're just going to put in everything with the seasoning and everything. I didn't strip it because I don't have no time to strip each of them beef. They take off seasoning after them, so we'll put everything in the pot, seasoning everybody one time. After this, we're just going to let it simmer down for about 10 to 15 minutes. These don't take very long to cook because they're small thin pieces, so about 10 to 15 minutes first, and then this is probably how it looks after about 5-6 minutes. So it needs to cook down a little bit more. So here is what we want now. Oh, this looks good. So this is probably after about 15. It is after about 10 to 15 minutes. So now we add our broad beans and let it cook for about 5 more minutes or so, and this is the final product.